In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add predecessors in Smartsheet. Predecessors are what Smartsheet uses to understand the order of your tasks and how one task depends on another. Once you set them up properly, your project timeline will automatically adjust when dates change, which is a huge time saver. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're in the grid view so you can clearly see your task list, start dates, end dates, and the other standard columns. If your sheet is already set up as a project plan with dates and durations, you're in a great place to start. Next, we need to enable dependencies for this sheet because predecessors only work when dependencies are turned on. Look toward the top of the screen for the menu where you can access your sheet settings. This is usually found by clicking on the small drop-down or settings icon near the sheet name or on the toolbar. Go ahead and click on that to open the sheet settings panel. In the panel that opens, look for anything labeled project settings or similar. Once you're in the project settings area, you'll see an option called dependencies. This is the feature that tells Smartsheet to treat your sheet as a true project plan, where durations, start dates, end dates, and predecessors all work together. Click on the dependencies checkbox to turn it on. When you do this, Smartsheet will either confirm the existing date and duration columns or prompt you to choose which columns should be used for start date, end date, and duration. Just make sure the correct columns are selected so your schedule calculations work properly. You may see dependencies listed more than once in this settings window, for example in a section name and then as a checkbox. Make sure the actual option to enable dependencies is checked. This is what activates the predecessors column in your sheet. Once you've enabled dependencies, click Apply at the bottom of the settings window. Smartsheet will update your sheet structure and add or activate the predecessors column, usually to the right of your duration or date columns. From here, you can start typing predecessor values directly into that column, using row numbers to indicate which task comes before another. As you do this, Smartsheet will automatically adjust dates based on your dependencies, giving you a dynamic and realistic project schedule.